The first one is the portable salad jar, the viral hit with a consistently high search trend and over 300k likes on just these few videos. The market has spoken. This is a proven winner, not a fad. This jar is designed for perfect portions and easy meal prep. Customers give it an incredible 4.8 out of 5 stars, praising its durable, high-quality design for keeping salads fresh and ready to eat. Dropshippers, this is your cash cow. The second one is the Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Its reviewers call it powerful and very convenient. It's already a certified Amazon #1 bestseller, with over 10,000 sold last month alone. The viral cleaning phenomenon. With videos racking up over 1.2 million likes and thousands of creations under the hashtag, it boasts an impressive 4.5-star rating from nearly 4,000 global buyers. This product is trending. It's perfect for quick cleanup in your car, office, or keyboard. This is your ticket. Tagged as a high profit, stop waiting. The next one is the Doorbell Camera. Secure your home with the Doorbell Camera, a proven essential. With a hashtag generating 56k creations and clips gaining over 140k likes, the security trend is massive. This product is an Amazon's Choice #1 bestseller with 2k plus bought last month. It offers 1080p video, AI human detection, two-way talk, and night vision, giving users peace of mind. Plus, its incredible sales volume, with 124k units sold on Temu, demonstrates unstoppable demand and high customer satisfaction. This is a non-seasonal, evergreen money maker. Introducing the large lockbox, the must-have solution for safety and organization. Customers rave about it being a great solution for keeping meds safely out of reach. It's earned the Amazon's Choice badge, with over 1k units bought last month. The search trend for this item has been steadily rising, showing high and consistent demand for secure storage solutions. This is your next winning product. These Crocodile mouth slippers are a genuine viral hit. The search graph shows massive seasonal peaks, and videos are exploding with over 1.3 million combined likes. People are asking how to order and calling them very cute and cool. Look at the verified sales volume. They're warm, funny, novelty slippers that buyers are scooping up fast. Dropshippers, this product is social media gold. Don't miss this peak. The last one is the car Mirror Squeegee. Say goodbye to rainy blind spots. This little gadget is going viral, with one clip alone hitting 737k likes, confirming a strong, consistent interest. It's an Amazon's Choice product. Plus, its sales volume is undeniable, with over 150k units sold on Temu. This simple tool provides a perfect, clear view. Dropshippers, this is a viral impulse buy. It's cheap, solves a visible problem, and has massive social proof.